Okay, dito kami sa food court kumain. Tapos na, nagpabanyo lang si Alex. Tapos nagbayad ako ng bills. Tapos dumaan kami dito sa food court kasi nagutom. Pagkatapos, ang kinain ni Alex, Subway. Ako naman, Japanese food. Tapos, mapunta kami sa Dollarama. Mabili ako ng, ano yan, bird seeds, glow in the dark, garbage bag, at kung ano pa ang bilihin. Yan. Hindi na ako sanay na may pants. Hindi na ako sanay na may bangs ako. Ito ginawa ko ito. Ginawa ko ito. Shout out sa lahat. Shout out sa lahat. Kumusta sa inyong lahat dyan? Sa Pilipinas. Ayoko na magkuha ng ano kasi baka makakuha ko ng ibang tao. Baka magalit. Yeah. Hinihintay ko si Alex na ano yan. Mabili ako ng ano dito, ng ano nito. Nasaan? Cover nito Mabili ako ng cover. Yan. Oops. Nabukas. Mabilihan ako kasi walang cover. Yan. Masaya din nakakalabas ng bahay. Nakakakain. Nandito na si Alex.
Yeah, I'm back.
Say hi.
My adventure.
Say hi.
Are you sharing this with millions of people around the world now?
No, say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Did you buy that?
Oh, I only have some extra I carry with me. So,
Where are we going now?
I think we could, or maybe we should.
Yeah. How many more minutes up there?
I don't know. You mean how many minutes has it been going?
Yeah, right there. You see that one?
I can barely see it. It's tiny. It's a little speck. 29, 28, 27, 26. How long is it? It's counting down.
Yeah, up. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my vlog.
Oh, does it? You mean you put it on for two or 3 minutes?
5 minutes. Thank you. So
There's only a few
much.
seconds left.
See.
It's going down to about the last 7 seconds.
God bless.